Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, August 20th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having yogurt, cereal, and fruit. For lunch, barbecue fajitas and baked beans. Monday for breakfast, ham and cheese croissant. And for lunch, chicken bites. Announcements. I hope everyone has brought back their device agreements and acceptable use policy forms. We have lots of those turned in. We are still working on getting devices out. If you have a form that you haven't turned in, please, students, get those out of your backpacks and folders and turn them in to your teacher. Almost every class has most of their forms turned in, and that is awesome. You will be getting your devices to your classroom very soon if you haven't already. Today's late duty is Miss Bertolino. Dismissal. Keep doing a great job at dismissal, students. We had another record-setting day yesterday with Carline. Great job. Masks. Our students are doing an excellent job with wearing their masks. Thank you, students, for masking up. Also, students, please remember it's a good practice to wash your hands often during the day. Wash your hands every time after you use the restroom and at other times when you have the chance. Let's keep those germs away. Important dates. Next Tuesday, August 24th, is going to be a Learn at Home Day. Students will not report to the school next Tuesday. August 25th, we have PST meetings. That's on Wednesday. September 3rd, we have vector training certificates are due to Nurse Eaton. That's our online training. And September 6th, Labor Day, no school. The Environmental Studies Center has an art contest. It's open to all Mobile County School students. You can be in the grade band of K through 3 or 4 through 5. The theme is Wildlife of Mobile. There are some rules and guidelines and those kind of things. If you are interested in doing the art contest, see Miss O'Neill or talk to your teacher. The word of the day is angle. Angle. I'm sure everyone has heard of the word angle. An angle is two rays that share an endpoint. Two rays that share an endpoint. We talk about the size of angles and we measure angles. So an angle is two rays that share an endpoint. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.